Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. I'm standing here today at Masjid Sulayman bin Dawūd. The place has gone through a remarkable transformation over the last year. Since the purchase of this place, we had the ambition to open parts of the masjid for daily salawats as soon as possible. Alhamdulillah, while the building work has continued on the main part of the building, we have been able to open this section as phase 1. Alhamdulillah, since opening of phase 1, brothers have been able to pray 5 daily salawats here. We have been able to hold Islamic studies and Quran classes for boys, weekly hadith classes, and monthly lectures by our guest speakers. However, our congregation is growing constantly. You may have noticed that we have been holding 3 Jummah congregations which extended into the marquee section. The fact that we're already struggling to accommodate our congregation highlights the need for a bigger masjid in this area to serve this community. Alhamdulillah, once this whole project is fully open and operational, it will accommodate not only the existing congregation, but the wider members of our society, including sisters. In fact, this place where I'm standing will be a dedicated hall for our sisters. Brothers and sisters, the best is yet to come. Inshallah, with the completion of the full refurbishment of this masjid, the doors will open to welcome a larger congregation, including sisters. So this will include 5 daily salawat, expanded educational services for our children, and also other important community initiatives in this area. And a much needed funeral service will also be available from this site, which is currently lacking in this part of Birmingham. But brothers and sisters, we cannot do this on our own, and we invite you to join us in this noble cause.
Alhamdulillah, the rendering on the outside of the building has now been completed. Let me show you inside the building for the latest development.
ومورد من تعطش للهدايا وسنة أحمد مسك الختام سراج النور من جمع المسجد. Where we stand now is the body washroom facilities as well as the mortaries. As you can see, there's a lot yet still to be completed. This will now become the main men's prayer room space where daily jamaats will take place. As you can see, the brothers are working around the clock to ensure that we can hit the deadline by the 1st of Ramadan. Now, there's a lot of work inside here yet to be completed, and the only way we can complete this is through your generous donations towards Masjid Sulayman. This will be the dedicated entrance for the madrasa students. Now let me show you around the 1st and 2nd floor in the madrasa. Alhamdulillah, as you can see, there's been great progress on the 1st floor. And now the classrooms have been plastered, they've got the undercoat painted, and all we're waiting on for now is the woodwork and the final decorations. And that's throughout the 1st and 2nd floor. This will be the dedicated area for the madrasa students' wudu and toilet facilities. Alhamdulillah, we have 5 classrooms in total. We have 2 double-sized classrooms this size, and then we have 3 standard size classrooms. On the 2nd floor, we have a further dedicated wudu area as well as toilet space. We have another 2 standard size classrooms towards the left and right of the building. This space on the 2nd floor will be used for multiple purposes.
Brothers and sisters, I would like to use the opportunity to encourage you to support us in our Sha'bān and Ramadhān campaign of raising £1 million. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that when a person passes away, the deeds end except 3. Continuous form of sadaqah, knowledge which is beneficial, a pious child who prays for him. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is encouraging us to leave a legacy or a means of reward for ourselves. And what a great opportunity we have to build a masjid which will benefit generations to come.
Brothers and sisters, we desperately need your du'as, your financial support to complete the masjid ready in time for Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum.
في وجه الغواية إلى الرحمن يممنا المطايا بهدي الله نبلغ خير غاية بهدي الله نبلغ خير غاية